Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to answer any question, explain complex concepts, and even help you write essays. Imagine a tool that can summarize books in minutes, organize your study schedule, and even quiz you before an exam. Sounds like something from the future, right? Well, the future is here. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way students learn, making studying more efficient, personalized, and even fun. Whether you struggle with math, need help writing papers, or just want to maximize your productivity, AI tools can give you the boost you need. In this video, we'll explore the best AI tools available for students, how they work, and how you can use them to improve your grades. So, if you're ready to study smarter, not harder, keep watching. AI Tools for Better Studying 1. ChatGapt, your AI tutor. One of the most powerful AI tools for students is ChatGapt. Think of it as your personal tutor that can answer almost any question. Stuck on a math problem? Need a summary of a history chapter? ChatGapt can help. How to use it effectively? Ask specific questions instead of vague ones. Instead of saying, "Explain World War II," ask, "What were the causes of World War II?" Use it to generate essay ideas, outlines, and even practice questions. Let it simplify difficult concepts. If you don't understand something from your textbook, ChatGapt can break it down in simple terms. 2. Grammarly, your writing assistant. Good writing is essential for high grades, but grammar mistakes and unclear sentences can bring your score down. Grammarly helps by checking your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even improving your writing style. Why students love it? It corrects mistakes in real time. It suggests better word choices to make essays more professional. The plagiarism checker ensures your work is original. 3. Quillbot, the AI paraphrasing tool. Quillbot is another great writing tool that helps students rewrite sentences, making them clearer and more concise. It's useful for improving essays, avoiding plagiarism, and even summarizing long texts. Best ways to use it: rewrite complicated sentences to make them easier to read. Summarize long research papers into key points. Generate alternative wordings for essays and assignments. 4. Notion, AI-powered notes and organization. If you struggle with staying organized, Notion is a lifesaver. It's more than just a note-taking app. It uses AI to help you manage assignments, organize notes, and create study plans. How it helps students: create to-do lists for upcoming assignments. Use AI-generated templates to organize notes. Turn your notes into study flashcards automatically. 5. Wolfram Alpha, the ultimate math solver. Math can be tough, but Wolfram Alpha makes it easier. Unlike normal calculators, it doesn't just give you an answer, it explains every step so you can learn how to solve problems yourself. Why it's useful: great for algebra, calculus, and physics. It provides step-by-step solutions, helps you understand difficult concepts with explanations. 6. Perplexity, AI smart research assistant. Writing research papers requires finding reliable sources. Perplexity AI helps students gather information quickly by summarizing multiple sources and providing citations. Ways to use it: get accurate summaries of research topics, find sources without spending hours searching the web, generate citations for your bibliography instantly. 7. Anki, AI-powered flashcards. Memorization is easier with flashcards, and Anki takes it to the next level with AI-powered spaced repetition. It reminds you to review information right before you forget it, making studying more efficient. Why students love it: helps retain information longer. Great for studying vocabulary, formulas, and historical dates. Customizable flashcards with images and audio. 8. Otter.ai AI for lecture notes. Tired of taking notes in class? Otter.ai automatically transcribes lectures in real time, so you never miss important information. Why it's helpful: converts speech to text instantly, allows you to search notes by keywords. Saves time so you can focus on understanding rather than writing. Final thoughts: AI is changing education in ways we never imagined. Whether it's helping you understand difficult concepts, improving your writing, or managing your time more effectively, AI is here to make learning easier and more enjoyable. The best part: these tools are available to anyone with an internet connection. Whether you're struggling with a subject or aiming for straight A's, AI can give you the edge you need. But remember, the real power of AI lies in how you use it. The smartest students aren't those who let AI do everything for them, but those who use it as a tool to learn faster, think deeper, and work smarter. So, are you ready to take your studies to the next level? Start using these AI tools today and see how much they can improve your learning experience. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to share this with your friends. They might thank you later.